Welcome to our tutorial on how to change text case in Google Sheets effortlessly. Whether you need to convert text to uppercase, lowercase, or proper case, Google Sheets offers simple formulas to accomplish this task. Let's dive in. Hello everyone. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of changing text case in Google Sheets. It's quick, it's easy, and it's incredibly useful. First, open your Google Sheets document containing the text you want to modify. Select the cell where you want the modified text to appear. Once you've selected the cell, you'll use one of three formulas depending on the case you want to convert the text into. For converting text to lowercase, simply type =lower, a 1, in the formula bar, replacing a 1 with the reference of the cell containing the text you want to convert. To convert text to uppercase, type =upper, a 1, in the formula bar. And if you want to capitalize the first letter of each word, use the proper function by typing =proper, a 1. Once you've entered the desired formula, press Enter to apply it. Voila! Your text is now transformed according to the chosen case. See how simple that was? With just a few keystrokes, you can modify text to suit your needs. Whether it's for formatting consistency or enhancing readability, these functions come in handy. To recap, to convert text to lowercase, =lower, a 1. To convert text to uppercase, =upper, a 1. To capitalize the first letter of each word, =proper, a 1. Remember, these formulas are case sensitive, so make sure you enter them exactly as shown. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.